So I wanted to show you how to post your piece to a Room for Debate site. And the first thing is to look in this upper right corner. And this right here, you can see that I'm logged in, of course. I should add a picture, but you've seen my picture before. So here's how you add a new post. And there's a couple of key things to keep in mind. This, of course, is where your clever title is. Remember that with titles, all the important words are capitalized. So the articles like a, and the might not be if they're within the title. And prepositions aren't either, but it's always the first word, the last word, and all the important words in between. And then down here, I'd like you to type in a byline for yourself. And the reason why is sometimes our login names don't clearly identify who we are, so that's why I want your byline here. And then next, what most students do is they go ahead and copy and paste their text underneath here, and then you can play with, the formatting and make sure it looks okay. I think most people just prefer to use Word, and I'm used to that as well, or Google Docs, and so that's why the copy and paste works pretty well right there. The other thing that I don't want you to forget, because this is important, is to give yourself a category. So whatever your topic is, all of the topics are listed here. Unfortunately, this list also has the other semesters as well. So if I'm doing the fine arts piece, you can search for it, or you can just scroll down and find it. But you want your category to be tabbed. That way your piece is in the drop-down menu, and then we can see what the categories are that we have. And then one nice thing is that you can preview before you publish. And this is just kind of editing to see how it looks. And you can see right here, uncategorized shouldn't be there. So I'm going to go ahead and go back and edit. And the reason why that's there in my category is that uncategorized is checked for some weird reason. So I'm going to uncheck that because I don't want to be uncategorized. And then I'm going to go back up and preview. And that looks much better. This is the drop-down menu that it will be connected to, hopefully, if everything goes okay. Later on, we'll be leaving comments to each other for the replies. That will be about a paragraph or so, but right now this is just all about posting your piece. When you're ready then to go ahead and publish, so I preview, I saw a couple things I want to change, I can go ahead and tweak, and then publish button will put it on the file. You all have editor roles, and it was just easier. The first semester I was the only one with the editor spot, and it's so much easier to give you access to everything. But with that, be really careful not to change someone else's pieces or delete something by mistake.